Back with Sawmill Designs. Here's a tray that we made. CNC cut that out. I cut the walnut, dried it. Charcuterie board. Laren, say hi. It's my daughter. Here's my wife. Her and I run Sawmill Designs, owner operators. Stinging a blanket ladder. Another tray. A round tray that I make. We make numerous of these. I sell them in the store. We have a store in Esterville. There's some more charcuterie boards we've been making for a lady. We do a lot of these. City maps, streets. Another lit sign that we got going on. Gotta be really neat. Double L. And that's what we got going on today. Thanks for watching.